Hello mates, welcome to Full Stack Java Developer. I am Kiran Jadhav here. In this session, I will teach you enum in Java. Then see what is enum. Enum it is used to declare the fixed constant in Java. The best example we have dates like 7 days available there, months 12 months available there, and season like there are 3 seasons available. Then such a constant we are able to declare by using enum. Then nowadays instead of using the string constant, always will prefer to use as a enum, and enum comes in Java JDK 1.5 and it's coming from .lang package, and .lang package by default available in Java. First we'll come up with some theory part and then we'll start with the practical approach. Then see enum in Java, and enum short for enumeration. Enum is used to declare constant in Java. It provides a way to define a fixed set of values, making the code more readable, maintainable and less error prone. Enum we were introduced in Java 5 and it comes from java.lang package. Enum is by default public, static and final, and enum always we are writing in capital letters. You can simply say enum always we are creating in capital letters, because those are the constant you can simply consider, that's why. Then why we are going to use enum? Because of improve the code readability. It means defines a set of name constant. Then second point, ensure type safety. Enum always prevents assigning invalid values. And the third is better than static constant. It means instead of declaring the string constant, you can simply go with the enum, because enum is very lightweight and it provides built-in methods and features. Then when we are going to use enum, see the first point, when you have a fixed set of values, example days of a week, status code, etc. And when you need type safety, instead of using string or integer constants, that time you can simply go to the enum constant in Java. The next, when you need better code organization and maintainability, that time also you can simply go to the enum. Nowadays all corporates, instead of using the string constants, they will prefer to use enum constant. Then we'll start with our practical approach here. Simply come up with the Eclipse, then coming to file, new, dynamic web project. Then see, I'm giving the project name as enum concept. Enum concept. See, our application is created successfully. Now we'll simply come up with the src in Java. Right click on that, new package. The package name I'm giving here com.fullstack.core. Com it means OS level, core level package. Full stack it means our company name. Core it means we are learning the core Java. Now right click on core package, new Java class. The Java class name I am giving here, this is, you can simply say HRM application. HRM application, and HRM application, this is our, you can simply say main class. That's why I'm writing here main method. Now we'll simply come up with the here again our package. If you want to create separate constant package, you can go to the constant package as well. Then here I am creating the one more package, new Java package you can simply consider, and the package name I'm giving here com.fullstack.hrm. You can simply say this will be constant. We have created the separate package as constant package. One more package I am creating here, you can simply say new package, and the package name I am giving here com.fullstack. This is, we are giving here HRM dot, you can simply say this is our model class. Then see, coming to constant, we are creating new Java, this will be enum, and here I am giving, this will be enum as employee status, because employee have status like, you can simply say active employee, resign employee, on notice employee, like on hold employee, right? Number of status available there. Then we are just creating here enum, and enum always we are declaring as public. By default it public, static and final. Okay, yes. Now in model package I am just creating new Java class, and the Java class name I am giving here employee. Then employee class, first we'll add some variables. I am just adding here private, this will be int, emp have id. We are adding here private, this will be string, you can simply say emp have name. Next we are adding here employee have salary, private double employee have salary, and the one more we are adding here private, this will be employee status, and this is the enum type we are going to define. Now I want to create here constructor, that's why I'm just going to right click, go to source, generate constructor using fields. See, the constructor is created successfully. This is parameterized constructor. Now we require here getter setters, that's why I'm just going to right click, go to source, generate getter setters. Getter setters also created successfully. Now we are just expecting here toString method, right click, go to source, generate toString method. See, this way we done with the entire Pojo class. The Pojo class, it means plain old Java object, there is available variables, getter setters and constructor. Now coming to our employee status, this is our enum. Then what are the status available for enum? Then first we are going to say active employee, it means working employee. Next we are giving, there will be resign employee. Resign, it means whatever employee they are going to put the paper, right? We are saying this is resign employee. The next we are going to say hold employee, on hold you can simply say. If there is any employee they are going to join the company, right? Initially this will be like on hold, right? In progress you can simply consider. Next we are going to say terminated employee. If employee is not doing the they are not following the company rules, then company sometimes it will goes to terminate those employees as well. And again we are adding here on notice employee as well. You can simply say on notice. If they put the resignation, right, then this employee goes to on notice. In your case you can add such a number of status actually. Time being I am just adding here 5 status actually for employee, like active employee, resign employee, on hold, terminated, on notice. Okay, then see here we have declared those enum. By default this is public static final, that's why you are able to see the color is also changed there, and enum always we are declaring as a capital letters. Then now coming to next is we have HRM application. Here itself we have available main method. Then I am just adding here list of data. For that perspective I am just using Ctrl M, it will maximize the size of screen, and I want to add here list of data. I am directly using here Java 8 feature, you can simply say stream of, and I am adding here new employee. I am adding here 5 employee record. First I am adding here 121, this will be name of Sora, and the salary I am adding here 97,000.96, and Sora we are considering this is the employee status as active employee. We are just giving here active employee. Then ending with we are just going to add here to list, but I want to add here at least 5 records, that's why I am just using copy paste here. Like this is second employee, again this is third employee, this is fourth employee, this is fifth employee. In your case you can add number of employees there. I am just passing here the second employee is 122, third is 123, fourth is 124, and the fifth is 125. The second employee I am giving here Aparna. Next I am adding here Lakshmi. Then we have Ram employee here, and the last one I am just going to add here Rutuja. See, each employee we are giving somehow different salary. For Aparna 91,000, Lakshmi I am adding here 99,000, Ram we are giving here 92,000, and the Rutuja we are just going to add here 77,000.96. Then Aparna we are just going to say this will be terminated employee. I am just using control space. Okay, you can simply, like we have employee status, this is our, you can say enum, and here we are trying to use those values. Now I want to say Lakshmi, like status as we are giving here active itself actually, and the Ram status we are going to change here, this will be, you can simply say on hold, and Rutuja we are giving this employee as a resign status. Yeah, see, then we have here how many employee available, 5 employee record available, and the employee record I am just going to add within list. Otherwise if you want to filter here also, that also fine for us. Okay, if you want to filter this record here, right, I will filter here only. This will be somehow advanced level. You can simply like keep watching our videos, you will get more clarity once we start with the Java 8 actually. I am just using this is somehow industrial standard code here. Okay, then here I am adding like scanner class, scanner equal to new scanner, and we are asking for end user please enter the status and accordingly it will fetch the data. I'm just printing here sysout and asking here /n, you can simply say please enter employee status, and we are reading the status by using string type of, you can simply say we are passing here one employee status as a field variable, you can simply say. See, we are just passing here string employee status equal to scanner dot next, and once we are asking for end user please enter the employee status, it will be entering from end user side, and then we are going to filter the record here. For that perspective, we don't require the here to list as well, directly you can try to filter here this record. Okay, then we have option available here filter, then you can directly use filter, then this will be emp as a reference we are giving, emp dot get employee status, see dot to string and dot equals we are using, and whatever employee status we are going to pass, according to print the result. Then we are trying to print the result. For that perspective I am using for each, then you can simply pass here system dot out, this is method reference I am using, then simply use print ln. Then see here, if you want to close the scanner object you can go ahead and close it. I hope like line number 25 is extra, I am just going to delete it. How to format the code base? Control A, Control I, Control Shift F, it will format the code base. Then here I am just trying to run a Java application, but before that I want to print only active employee, that's why I just copied the active here, run a Java application. You can simply mention the status here, I am passing here active. See, there are two records, are those two employer active like Swara and Lakshmi. Now I want to check on hold employee, then again you can simply try run a Java application. Here you can simply pass the employee status, which is the on hold employee. We have 124 RAM is on hold. If you want to check terminated, right, simply run a Java application and then you can simply pass here status as terminated. See, this is 122, it means Aparna is terminated. And if you want to check resign, right, simply to run a Java application and here you can simply pass status as resign. You will be able to see which is the record, Rutuja the employee, like resign status. Like such a way we handle those by using enum. Then see, here we have declared the enum, this is enum, you can simply say by default it is public, static and final. Then enum mostly like the use for to declare the fixed constant, like dates we have 7 days, then months like 12 months, again we have seasons like summer, rainy, winter, and same thing if you want to create your custom constants, right, then instead of string constant you can simply use such a constants here, like t-shirt size also we have available like L, M, XL, yes, whatever, right, yes. Same thing here we have given employee status, same for customer status also, same for credit card status, same for bank account status also. You can go ahead and create the enum here, and as per business requirement you can simply create the Pojo classes there and simply pass the your enum, and then whenever you are coming with your functionality, right, there you can directly use your enum dot whatever we have given the value for that, right. And here I am using very optimized code base by using stream API, you can simply consider. This is the feature comes in Java 8. Upcoming days we have separate series coming soon for Java 8, and there I will cover up the very advanced level stream API functionalities. Fine, here I just tried with the basic level, but upcoming sessions you will get more clarity, and same will continue with the Spring Boot as well to create the REST API. There also you will get lot of learning curve here. Fine, and yes, here scanner is giving up some complaint, right, warning, you can simply say they are saying scanner is never closed, there is resource leakage. Then you have option available, try with the resources, then try with resources. This is the feature comes in Java 7, like it will close the object automatically and avoid the resource leakage. Again, if you want to use run a Java application, you can simply go ahead and pass the status. Suppose I am passing here status as active, we are expecting 2 records. But if you don't want to use try with resources here, then you can simply use here scanner.close at the end. Here you can simply use scanner.close, that also fine for us. See on screen. Again I am trying run a Java application, and here I am just passing here, you can simply say resign, then accordingly it will print the data there. Perfect. Then either you can use try with resources, otherwise you can simply use scanner.close. Once you are going to close it, it means it will avoid the resource leakage actually. Yeah. Then I hope you got the clarity of enum. Then see, enum like in Java, and enum short for enumeration, and enum is used to declare the constant in Java. And enum always we are declaring as a capital letters here. Whatever we have declared in here status, always we are declaring as a capital letters. And enum you are able to iterate by using for each, and enum we are able to handle within condition as well. Then here we haven't handled within like condition, but here we have available predicates itself. Actually whatever in filter you are writing, this is condition only, you can simply say, because mostly freshers they are expecting like if else condition, right? But here also by using stream API we are able to handle the conditions fine. Such a way, like I hope you got the clarity here, but till if you are facing any difficulties, then feel free to add your comments in our comment box. And thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe the channel to get more updates, and see you in next video.